Dear viewers and listeners, I hope you will be fine, happy and healthy. Today we are going to begin the next activity, and that is presentation 7, and talking about school schedule. And in this activity again we will ask about the how often question. How often we discuss it in the previous activity. It means repetition of an action. Okay, how many time an action take place. We will talk about this how often in this activity. जब हम कोई एक्टिविटी एक दफ़ा करते हैं तो once, जब दो दफ़ा so twice, जब तीन दफ़ा 3 टाइम, 4 दफ़ा 4 टाइम. तो वही क्वेश्चन और आंसर हम इस एक्टिविटी में कर लेंगे. और ख़ासकर सपोज दैट इज़ अ टाइम टेबल एंड दैट्स आवर टाइम टेबल और योर टाइम टेबल. एंड ऑन 8 o'clock you have English on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday English, right? Similarly on at 20 to 9 or at 8:40 you have physics for 4 days, and then for 2 days you have work study, right? And then at 9:20 you have biology for 2 days and chemistry for 3 days and drill for 1 day, once a week. हफ्ते में एक दफ़ा है ये. Similarly, Islamic study is twice a week and maths is 4 times a week. That is your timetable. तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो how often do you have English? English आपके कितने मरतबा होते हैं? तो आप क्या कहेंगे? 6 times a week. हफ्ते में इंग्लिश हमारा 6 टाइम होते हैं. 6 times a week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो how often do you have physics?
4 times.
Good. 4 times a week. Times plural. 4 times a week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो how often do you have work study? Twice a week. Once and twice. 2 दफ़ा के लिए हम twice यूज़ कर लेंगे. Twice a week on Friday and Saturday. अगर मैं पूछ लो how often do you have biology?
Twice a week.
Twice a week on
Monday, Tuesday.
and Tuesday. On Monday and Tuesday. आखिरी से पहले आप end लगाएंगे. And how often do you have chemistry?
3 times.
3 times a week on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And how often do you have drill? Once a week on Saturday. Saturday पर होता है. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछ लो how often do you have Islamic studies? Twice a week on Monday and Tuesday. And how often do you have maths?
4 times a week.
4 times a week on Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday. Good. So how often do you have? अगर plural हो तो do का हम कहेंगे. लेकिन अगर हम बिलाल के बारे में पूछते हैं, आयशा के बारे में पूछते हैं, एक बंदे के बारे में पूछते हैं कि उनकी टाइम टेबल क्या है, तो फिर how often does Umar have English?
6 times.
6 times a week on
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday
and Saturday. Good. And how often does Halima have physics?
4 times a week.
4 times a week on
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and
God. And how often does Hania have Pak study?
twice a week.
Twice a week on
Friday and Saturday.
God, on Friday and Saturday. And how often does Hashir have biology?
Twice a week.
Twice a week on
Monday, Tuesday.
God. And how often does Fatma have chemistry?
3 times.
3 times a week on
Wednesday, Thursday and
Friday. And how often does Khalid have drill? Once a week on Saturday. And how often does Shakir have Islamic studies?
twice a week.
On
Monday and Tuesday.
Very good. And how often does Arham have maths?
4 times a week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and
गुड.
Saturday.
लेकिन इसमें डियर व्यूअर आपको ये याद रखना चाहिए कि हाउ ऑफ्टन डज बिलाल हैव, ये जब डज एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब सिंगल आ जाए तो दूसरा फिर प्लूरल लगता है. हाउ ऑफ्टन डज बिलाल हैज़ न कहेंगे, हैव बायोलॉजी. हाउ ऑफ्टन डज आयशा हैव केमिस्ट्री, हैफ कहेंगे, हैज़ न कहेंगे. अगरचे आमतौर पर वाहिद के साथ हैज़ लगाया जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर ये पहला ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब सिंगुलर यूज़ हुआ है. और जब एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इस्तेमाल हो जाए एक जुमले में तो दूसरा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब फिर प्लूरल वाला इस्तेमाल होता है, सिंगुलर वाला नहीं इस्तेमाल होता है. राइट. सो आई होप डियर व्यूअर्स एंड लिसनर you will have learned about the schedule or about the timetable. Try to ask and answer question about each other about different subject, that how many time, how often do you have chemistry, biology, etc. And try to watch the videos with the proper sequence. Now I'll try to speak mostly English in the videos, because already the beginning were the level 1 and level 2 those activities. So if you are new, try to watch the videos from the beginning. Thanks a lot.